Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly DXY, it is starting to look more and more like we are going to end up making a move to the upside. It probably is going to be a crutch into this move down. It's probably going to either be a wave B or a wave 2. I think it's more likely to be a wave 2 because I still think this is the end of a crutch right here, and I still think that it will end up making another move to the downside once it finishes the correction to this move down. So let's head down to the weekly time frame and head back to the dollar index. Like I said, it's definitely starting to look more and more like we are making a move to the upside. So this probably still is most likely a wave 1, but could be a wave A. I still think that this move up is probably going to be an A. This is probably actually 3 waves down for a wave B, and we probably are going to continue up for a wave C. This is probably all going to be a crutch into this move down, probably like a wave 2 or possibly a B, and then it should end up continuing the downtrend again. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, now we can see that this probably is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This right here is probably all one trend for the A. This is probably 3 waves up for the B, and this is probably a downtrend for the C. That means that this is most likely actually just going to keep on trending up, probably even take out the high of wave A to make most likely a wave C of 2 or possibly a wave C of wave B. Either way, definitely doesn't matter because we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames either scenario. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where we can start to see the higher highs, higher lows for this move up. If this right here really is the end of a wave B, then this is probably just going to keep on trending up. So if it does make a pullback, then it's probably just going to be a pullback to this last wave, and it most likely will just continue to make those higher highs and higher lows, telling me that I definitely should probably be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour, like I said, if it does make a pullback, which I don't really know if it will now, it very easily could continue to drift up, but if it does make a pullback, it's probably just going to be a crutch into this last wave, and then it'll probably make like some sort of a 3-way pattern down and a pulse move up, and most likely just end up continuing the uptrend, telling me that if I am not in a trade yet, then the next trade that I'm looking for is a long at the end of the next pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.